Hello. Last week we had an amazing exhibition for the glass market in Düsseldorf, Germany. That edition was a special event for Eurotherm. All the week long, Eurotherm cooperates with prospect, customer, partner, OEM and peers. We exposed on our stand the Eurotherm latest technologies about the decarbonization of the glass melting processes. We engaged a lot of discussions on our digital engineering solutions for electrical power heating system, our DES Power Box and our DES Power Skid. We would like to thank all our visitors at our stand, the glasstec organization, and our team for their excellent collaboration during that wonderful glass exhibition week. In the following 3 videos, we will show you the offer we presented to our customers during the event. Thank you and goodbye.